Want to save some money on your Parallel subscription? So in this video, I will show you how to apply a special coupon code on Parallel Desktop so you can enjoy all the benefits and get up to 75% off. So to get the coupon code, first of all, you have to click on the given link in description. And after that, you are on our website. Then scroll down and click on show coupon. Then it will redirect you to the official website of Parallels. Then click on buy now. And now choose the plan as per your need. And here you can apply your coupon code. And now to get the coupon code, you have to go back to our website again. And here is your coupon code. Copy this and paste it here. Click on apply. And there you have it. You are all set to enjoy Parallel Desktop at a fantastic discount. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any question or doubt, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.